Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
First, taste and inspect the mayonnaise to confirm it is runny and separated. Check mayonnaise temperature and texture before fixing for best results. Let the mayo sit at room temperature 10 minutes if it is very cold. Gather 1 egg yolk or 1 teaspoon mustard and 1 tablespoon water. Use a clean bowl and whisk or blender and keep oil nearby. Have measured oil ready in a small cup for slow incorporation. Start by placing 1 egg yolk and 1 teaspoon mustard in a bowl. Whisk the yolk and mustard briskly for 20 to 30 seconds until smooth. Add oil dropwise, just a few drops at a time to start the emulsion. After the emulsion forms, increase to a steady thin stream while whisking continuously. If the mayo is too thick, stir in 1 tablespoon water to loosen and stabilize texture. Continue until you reach a creamy, thick mayonnaise consistency. For faster results, use an immersion blender or food processor to rescue runny mayo. Place 1 egg yolk and 1 teaspoon mustard in the blending jar as a stable base. Add the runny mayonnaise and blend briefly to combine into a uniform texture. With the blender running, pour the oil slowly in a thin stream if additional oil is needed. Taste and adjust salt or acid like 1 teaspoon lemon juice as needed. Refrigerate the fixed mayonnaise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.